Welcome, in front of me is an HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from here scroll down to Storage. So there it is, and you should see your SD card, so tap on it, and tap on the three dots right here, and go into Storage Settings, where you should find the option to Format. Just tap on Format. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the SD card. So if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin, otherwise you will lose it. But assuming you have done that, or well, you don't care, tap on Erase and Format once more, and the process will begin. It's a fairly quick one, only takes a couple of seconds. And once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more. And there we go. Tap on Done and you're finished. There we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.